Sometimes resellers get a bad reputation of being money hungry and just taking. But today we're going to be talking about resellers giving back. Hey guys, welcome back to Resale Dojo, where we grow reselling businesses together. Now today is a special video where we are giving back. This is a reseller giving back video, and there are two ways that we are giving back today. Now if you remember, back when I hit 1,000 subscribers on this channel, I said that I was going to donate all of my monetization from YouTube, all that Google money, that sweet Google money, to Junior Achievement of Arizona, anything that I made from the time I got monetized through the end of June, because my goal to get 1,000 subscribers on this channel was July 1st, so anything before that is just amazing. It's still amazing that I got it right now. I think I'm already at 1,500 right now from all of your guys' support. So all of your support right now is going to be actually going back to my local community here. I'm going to be donating $257 and some change to Junior Achievement of Arizona. This money is going to help Junior Achievement be able to pay for the materials that their volunteers use when they go into schools to teach kids about business and money and all that type of stuff. Like all the type of stuff that schools aren't teaching you, that stuff like you and me need to know for running our reselling business, for being entrepreneurs. That's the type of stuff that Junior Achievement are teaching kids as young as like kindergarten. Like they're teaching those guys from like kindergarten all the way through high school, the type of stuff that you really need. And so I wanted to give back to an organization that I knew was going to support the kids the way that I feel like I really needed to be supported when I was that age. But we are not done yet. We are giving back even more to the community. If you remember, I just took part in the 30-minute no comp reseller challenge with 9 other YouTube resellers. And in that challenge, I actually won. If you remember, I found that crazy carbon composite bat that goes for like $300, and that thing put me over the top, and I won. And my prize for that was to be getting one item from each of the losers of that competition. Well, in the spirit of giving back, I reached out to them and ran it by them, and they all agreed that instead of sending me that one unit, that they would take the net profits that they would have received from that item if they sold that thing, and they would donate it to a charity of their choice. So for the rest of this video, my fellow resellers are going to be sharing which charities they chose to donate to.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Adam with BaldyPal picking here. First off, I want to congratulate Steve at Resale Dojo for winning the No Comps Challenge. I mean, seriously, man, you hit a home run with that baseball bat. Congratulations to you. And this is an awesome idea. Instead of sending an item to you, you asked us to make a donation to our charity of choice. So what I've done is I have sent $100 to the Gary Sinise Foundation. This foundation was started in 2011 by Gary Sinise himself. You may know him better as Lieutenant Dan. And he helps out veterans, disabled veterans, and first responders and their families as well. I love this foundation. I got veterans in my family. They haven't actually had to take support from this foundation before, but they also recommend this foundation. So thanks so much, Steve. Congratulations again. And y'all, stay safe out there and have fun picking.
Big congratulations to Steve Resale Dojo for winning the No Comps Challenge. I'm taking the proceeds from my golf club and donating it to Palmetto Lifeline. They are an animal rescue organization. You can see my transaction here. I'm not really good at math. The 30 turned into 100. I know they appreciate it. And Steve, I appreciate you doing that for this contest. Congratulations again. Hope you guys have a great day.
Hey Steve, thanks so much for this opportunity, and glad you won the competition that BaldyPal Adam put on. And now for my option, I'm going to be donating the proceeds from that pair of Merrills. They were new with tags. They got them listed, ready for them to sell, but the proceeds of that will go to Give Hope to Kids. This is a great orphanage and organization down in Honduras, okay? Good buddy of mine, Jason, runs that organization. I've been down there a few years to help out, and great opportunity to see kids get a great home, a great family, great meals, and also as they grow, a opportunity to find employment and support their country of Honduras. So thanks so much for this opportunity. Man, can't wait to see all these donations go to the right place.
What's up, guys? I want to first congratulate Resale Dojo on winning the No Comps Challenge. And he asked us to do this video so that we could give to a charity. Instead of sending him one of our items, which was the original plan, he had a really cool idea, which was to take the profit we would have made from that item and donate it to a charity of our choice. So my choice is actually really exciting for me because it's a friend of mine who has she has nonprofit work that she does in the Middle East, and she's been doing this for years, and they have teams on the ground that really, like, they have their hands and feet in it, in the families, in the schools. They really work with the people closely. So what's cool is this month they're focusing on the country of Lebanon, and what my friend was saying was that if I were to give $10, it would really count as $100 there because the value of their dollar or pound, I think she said, is so low compared to ours. So I am going to give $75 to Heart of Mercy, and Hannah Sheets is the friend of mine who helps run that, and I'm really just grateful for that opportunity. So Resale Dojo, thank you for putting this together and kind of changing the plans. I honestly think that it was better. I think it's an amazing idea for us to do this with our profits. So $75 going to Heart of Mercy. You guys can check out that in the description below. I think Resale Dojo said he was going to put the link to the charity in the description below. So that's it. Again, congrats to you, Resale Dojo, for winning the challenge.
Alright, y'all, so I lost to Steve because Steve cheated. I'm just kidding. I lost to Steve, but I did podium. But as Ricky Bobby says, if you're not first, you're last. And Steve asked us, instead of sending him the item, to do a donation of what our profit would be from one of the items to a local charity. So I chose the Providence Animal Center, which is really close to my heart because it's next door to me, and I love dogs. So here we have Providence. I am donating $70 as the profit from my DVD combo. And then, also gotta fill this out, so let me do that. Submit payment. And it says, thank you. Providence Animal Center, see if you're an employer. I don't have an employer, so they won't match it. But here we go.
Hey everybody, it's Shayna, also known as Thrifty Nurse. So I recently did the reseller challenge with 9 other resellers, no comps challenge, and the winner was the Resale Dojo's Steve. He got some really awesome items, and instead of having us each send him an item, he decided to let us donate the profits of our item to a charity of our choice. So I picked the local animal shelter for mine. I really love what they do for the animals. I've always loved animals. I've had pets my whole life. I currently have 3 cats and 2 dogs. If it was up to me, I would have a whole farm of animals, maybe someday. But I just thought that was a really sweet idea. So congratulations, Steve. Thank you for letting us do that. And if you'd like to donate to your own local animal shelter, or you can donate to mine, the link will be included. They can definitely always use the help. So I hope you guys have a great 4th of July weekend. Stay safe and stay thrifty. Bye!
Hey guys, Cajun Reseller here. As most of y'all know, I lost the No Comps Challenge. So what the winner decided to do, the winner was Resale Dojo. He decided that we would donate the money. Instead of sending the item to him, we donate the money to a charity of our choice. My choice was Shohana's Hope. It's an adoption agency founded by Stephen Curtis Chapman, a Christian music singer, that basically helps people out with adoptions, adoption aid, and medical care. So I'm sending $35 because that's the average of this one, which is the lowest one. 30 and 40 were the 2 comps for this one. So $35 to Shohana's Hope.
What up, YouTube? This is Jermaine coming to you, and from Twin Flippers, and today I'm just coming to you to talk about the 30-minute challenge that we did. So we did a 30-minute challenge where 10 resellers go in one thrift store and they find 3 things for under $30 in 30 minutes. And whoever wins that challenge gets an item from each loser. So they get 10 items from each loser. So the winner, Resale Dojo, has decided that instead of sending the item to him, we actually donate the proceeds when we sell the item. So the foundation that I decided that I will be giving to will be the Susan G. Komen Foundation. It's to help raise awareness for breast cancer. It's to help find a cure for breast cancer. And I just think that I'm just so grateful to have the opportunity to be a part of this and to help spread awareness of this. So thank you so much for letting me be a part of this.
This is Casey, also known as Carolina Thrifter here on YouTube. Hey guys, so I was in a competition put on by BaldyPal picking, which his name's Adam, and in the competition we had to locate we had to get 3 items in 30 minutes, and of course I lost this competition, and one of our items we had to send to the winner of the competition, which was Steve at Resale Dojo. So shout out to you, Steve. Congratulations to you on winning. And what Steve wanted us to do was actually make a donation instead of giving him our items. So that was a great idea, Steve. And what I did was I donated here. I'll show you. I donated $50 to the Meals on Wheels here in my local area. Meals on Wheels is a great program. You know, they feed the hunger, and we definitely don't want people going hungry, because a lot of us have, very blessed and lucky to have food on our table and to be able to provide for our families. So I'm glad to be able to make the little $50 donation to them. I made donations to them in the past, and like I said, it's a great organization. And Steve, that was a great thing for you to do, man. I appreciate it.
So what do you guys think about all those charities that they donated to? Now, I'm putting down below in the description all the links to the various charities, so if you want to donate to any of them, you can as well. I also want to put links to their YouTube channels as well down there, so you could subscribe to all of my fellow resellers that are in this video. Thank you guys once again. I hope you enjoyed this special video of resellers giving back. If you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Also hit subscribe if you're new to my channel. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.